Welcome everyone to my YouTube channel. What I am going to do here is lithium battery unboxing. I purchased it through online shopping. We got this item in a cool packaging. If you like our video, then please like and support, and also share the video with your friends and let us know your comments by commenting. It is packed as wood chips are intended. Therefore, it was difficult to get it out. But because of that, we got the goods in good condition. It is priced at 42k, I think it's a good price. I wonder how much cheaper it is even in China. I have given the link to buy it in the description box of this YouTube video. We can buy it through Amazon. You can go through that link and see more details. I bought it for solar use and will do a video on inverter and solar panel etc. soon. That way we can see how a common man can install a solar. A metal box is used for this battery, which is prone to rust. Since this is an unboxing video, I only show the battery in this one. I will do a video on connecting this battery to the inverter soon. We are the first to do a video on YouTube of this battery that can be purchased through Amazon. Anyway, you can comment your opinion below. I don't see anything wrong with the battery. The company warranty is 5 years. But this is a good lithium battery and we can use it for a long time. I have done more video about lithium battery on our YouTube channel.
24V, 25.6V, lithium battery comes with many features and 5 years warranty. This power storage runs everything such as multiple lights, many ceiling fans, 8 to 10, and home and kitchen appliances such as television, refrigerator, water motor, geyser, grinder, juicer machine, inverter AC and many more appliances up to the power of 2500 watts. Lithium battery is latest technology product in battery storage market. It has many advantages including 1. Faster charging. Battery gets charged 100% in just 2 to 4 hours. 2. It is maintenance free. 3. Longer life. Compared to lead acid and SMF, lithium battery has 3000 cyclic life, which translates in 15 years usable life. 4. Lightweight. The weight of a lithium battery is 1/4 of other comparable batteries such as SMF. MuscleGrid Lithium Solar Battery, also known as MuscleGrid Lithium-ion Solar Battery, is a type of rechargeable battery commonly used in solar energy storage systems. It combines the technology of lithium-ion batteries with solar power to provide a reliable and efficient energy storage solution. MuscleGrid Lithium solar batteries are designed to store the electricity generated by solar panels during the day, allowing it to be used later when sunlight is not available, such as during the night or on cloudy days. These batteries are an important component of off-grid solar systems, where they provide a consistent power supply when the sun is not shining. Compared to other types of batteries, MuscleGrid Lithium solar batteries offer several advantages. They have a high energy density, which means they can store a large amount of energy in a relatively small and lightweight package. Lithium solar batteries also have a longer lifespan and can withstand a higher number of charge-discharge cycles compared to traditional lead-acid batteries, making them more durable and cost-effective in the long run. These mentioned things were obtained from the website of this.
Taking shots at the enemy, I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take the noose off. And you cannot save me, cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots.
You are not as tough
I don't slack, don't lose, learn your lesson yet. When I get to choose what I do, I'm like a weapon. I'm not sharp as many, but got heart I like to play fast, never change